Hi, my name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I'm going to be showing you how to put a simple, cute scrollwork pattern on your whimsical wedding cake using a disposable pastry bag with just a small tip inserted in the bottom. This is a medium-sized writing tip. You're just going to create small looping patterns. In doing a whimsical wedding cake, you can really make the scrollwork go in any direction you want it to go. It can loop creating S's, creating hearts, going backwards, going forwards. You basically want it to be as whimsical and fun as possible. Maybe you want to add in a heart. Just following the pattern all the way around the cake. Doing several swirls, loops. You can basically create any pattern that you want, doing S's, loops, swirls, zigzags, hearts. This is for a whimsical wedding, so you want it to be fun, you want it to be neutral, you just want it to express different things that you want to express. My name is Melissa Majori with Alessi Bakeries in Tampa, Florida. I've just showed you how to apply scroll work to the bottom tier of a 3-tier wedding cake.